This video will demonstrate how you can create a URL that creates a template for your students from Google products such as Docs, Slides, and Drawings. For this example, we're going to use some slides. So I've already attached the Principle of Design slide from my Google Drive to my module. But what I want to do now is I want to create a link so that my students can make a copy very easily. So they could go through here and go to File and then make a lot of decisions about which slides and entire presentation and so on. Or I could just create a link that will force a copy, but also allow them to see what they're copying. So for that workflow, I'm going to go to the document. What I'm going to do is I'm going to locate the last backslash, and I'm going to remove everything after that backslash. So everything from edit to the end of sharing. And I'm going to replace that text with this text, template /preview. Now to test it, I'm going to take that new URL and just pop it in a new tab and just make sure that it's going to render. So that's great. So all my student would have to do is click right on use template. It's going to automatically make a copy and attach it to their Google Drive. So I'm going to take this URL that we created now. I'm going to head back to my D2L course under the Principle of Design, and I'm going to go to Create New. I'm going to select Web Link. I'm going to paste that new link in there and give it some text. Okay, now it's very important that you select Open in a new tab. And then if you want to make it visible to your students right away, you can click here on the toggle to enable visible and then click Save. Okay, so the instructions are here. Click here to make a copy, so it's pretty obvious. And once they click on Open Link, all they have to do is click on Use Template. And once they do that, it will create a copy for them that will attach to their Google Drive. So it's a little bit easier workflow for students who may have difficulties making copies of things that you're posting. And that works for any of your native Google products, such as Docs, Drawings, and Slides.